Hey, it's James Potenza, your new home realtor. We're back out at your house and we're going to do a quick walkthrough. They've put some new things in there. I'll wait till we get inside to show you, but they are making a lot of progress. At the moment, there's no workers, so we shouldn't have any eruptions. Let's go take a look inside. All right, so the last time we were here, they were pouring the driveway and they were finishing up the brick, so all of that is done. Looks good. Let's go right inside the front door. So your sidewalk is in. I remember we were looking at something here that wasn't right. I'll probably take another picture there, but it looks like they're going to be able to level that off. All right, so here's your entryway and the first bedroom. And there's your surprise. We have countertops and cabinets. We already had your lights, so they'll put a mirror there, of course. And that's your other bedroom over there. So walking through, nice high ceilings. Love the architecture. It's pretty rare to have a one-story with high ceilings like this. I really like that. Here's your art niche. Putting the finishing touches on there, so all of your electrical is in and installed. They should be turning the electricity on pretty soon. There's your office. That's going to be nice. And again, they're going to do something with that. They're going to finish that off somehow. It's going to look a whole lot different. Here's your secondary bath. Got the countertops in. Your thermostat is going to go there. It'll sit right there. Here's the other bedroom that connects. And I've already walked through the house a little bit. I took a couple of pictures on some of the things that we were worried about. Not worried, but just we wanted to make sure that they took care of them. So I did that, and I'll send those to you, the pictures. And you'll see the sheetrockers came in, and they'll come back and they'll redo this again. But you'll see a lot of these patch up spots. So what they do is they come in, they put the sheetrock in, then they'll make some holes, they'll make some adjustments, they'll fix some crooked things, and they'll come back and then they'll patch it up. And all these patches will disappear. You'll never know that they were there. I don't know how they do it, but they're really good at it. Yeah, so they'll come by, and they'll come by multiple times during the whole process. So yeah, so here's your master bedroom. Yeah, nice big windows. And again, that ceiling is amazing. I remember we were in here and we were in the framing stage and just watching them frame this up. And that's almost a finished product. And there's the work that they were doing on that. They've got that patched up. The texture and paint guys, they'll come back in and they'll texture it with the same texture they have on the wall. And then they'll paint it and make it disappear. You'll never know. These guys are amazing. Let's take a peek in here. Yay, cabinets. Looks good. Love that color. And your light fixtures. There's your stand-up. Yeah, so it looks like they got most of the tile in there. They're going to finish off the corners right here and make it almost seamless. Here's your tub. There's a big closet. Cabinets. Wait, let's see if we have water. Woo! The water's on. Yippee. All right, so I wanted to show you this. Now, isn't this cool? I just love this big open area. Your entertainment will go right here. couches however you want them. Opens up to this beautiful kitchen. God, I love the colors and the granite that you guys have. That is amazing. I love that. Plenty of recessed lighting. Those are going to be for pennant lights. I forget if you've got pennant lights coming down. If not, then they'll block them and you can get them. So we'll see when they bring those out. But just take a look at this island. Of course, it's going to be a little dirty right now. I love the lines. Natural. Oh, look, that one goes all the way to that one over there. That's kind of cool. I wonder if they did that on purpose. That's very unique. I just love the natural look at this. Sweet. That looks really good. Look at that. It's like it just carries over. I don't know if they did that on purpose or not. And some more. So we get one more wide view picture. There's your patio. Still got some trim. Electrical outlet covers. So the next step will be possibly floor. I think they're going to wait to completely finish the drywall, the sheetrock, and all that. Actually, they'll have another couple of stages even after you get the floor in to come and do any other touch-ups. But I think they're going to come in and probably just make all these disappear. And then your floor is going to go in. That will look amazing. One more look. All right, looking good, guys. All right, guys, the house is looking really good. It's in good shape. It is where I think it should be as far as this stage in construction. It's not perfect. They never are at this stage, but I'm here to make sure that I call out anything I see that maybe they overlooked, something that you might be concerned with. I'll send you some pictures of some of the things we talked about, and we'll just keep on going. Looks like you'll be in here before the end of the year. It's looking great. And like I said, I'll send you those pictures and I'll be back out here in a couple weeks. All right, we'll see you.